All right, question 1 here. 2-liter solution of potassium permanganate, which is KMnO4, is determined to have a concentration of 0.255 molar. How many grams were used to prepare the solution? You should be able to recognize this by now as just a molarity formula. Molarity equals moles of solute divided by liters of solution. And on this one, since we are told the molarity and we are told the liters, we have enough information to solve for moles of solute, which we can then convert to grams of solute by molar mass. So let's go ahead and do it. So I know that the molarity is 0.255 molar, and that is equal to X number of moles of solute divided by 2.0 liters of solution. To solve for X, we'll multiply both sides by 2. So 0.255 times 2. I got X equal to 0.51. So that's 0.51 moles of KMnO4. Question asks for grams though, so of course we're going to have to convert that quantity of moles to grams. For that I need the molar mass. So I find the mass of 1 mole of KMnO4 using my periodic table. 1 mole of potassium has a mass of 39.1 grams. To that, I will add 1 mole of manganese, which is 54.94. And then to that, I'm going to add 4 moles of oxygen atoms, which will be 64 grams. That's 16 times 4. So 39, 54, and 64 added up, I get 158.04. And that is the number of grams that is equal to 1 mole. So now I need to find the number of grams that is equal to 0.51 moles. I can tell right away that's about half of a mole. So you can figure out a number of ways. You could either find the scale factor between 1 and 0.51, or you could find a scale factor here between 1 and 158, or you could like cross multiply and divide, or you can do any kind of way that makes sense to you. Probably the easiest way is to think about it is, well, 0.51 is 0.51 of 1, so then whatever number of grams this is, it should be 0.51 of 158.04. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 158.04 times 0.51, and that'll give me my answer of 80.60 grams. For significant figures here, I should round to 2 sig figs because that's the number, or that's the smallest number of sig figs in my question. So I'll go to 81 grams. That's my final answer, 81 grams of KMnO4.